What's up, nail geeks, and welcome back to another Glam polish video. We are kicking off this ultra busy November spamathon month with these 4 polishes. These are exclusive to specific Facebook groups, but I will be sure to note which ones, and we'll go over which ones at the end during the recap of the video. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First up is Sea Jewel. This is a white curly base with green and blue shifting iridescent flakies, Aurora shimmer, and metallic glitter mix. This one is the group custom for the Lacquered in White Facebook group. I know I do a Facebook group, the Shimmer Facebook group, each month on this channel, so I just want to make the blanket statement disclaimer that I am not affiliated in any way with the Facebook groups mentioned in this video. Sea Jewel has a true curly formula to it. I'm going to suggest going in very light-handed on your coats, just to slowly build it up. I thought 3 super thin coats on my wide load nails was perfect, but if you have shorter nails or more narrow nails than myself, I could definitely see you getting away with 2 coats. I will suggest a glitter smoother. Skyfire is an indigo jelly base with shifting iridescent flakies, multi-chrome flakies, and scattered holographic flakies. This one, if you have not guessed, with the flaky mix theme going on here, is for the Phantasmic Flakies Facebook group. Skyfire has a true jelly formula to it. I'm going to suggest between 2 and 3 coats. Now, I want to note I really went ham on that second coat, and I ended up needing to thin it out. So that's why you're seeing me just completely overwork that second layer. True to a jelly finish, if I went up to 3 super thin coats, this will look much darker on my nails. But because I stopped at the second coat, it's going to take on more of that purple type of appearance. This is another one I would suggest a glitter smoother with. Black Velvet is a black jelly base with shifting iridescent flakies, multi-chrome flakies, and scattered holographic flakes. This one's for the Black Hearted Beauties Facebook group. Black Velvet, very much like the Phantasmic Flakies custom, is a true jelly finish. I went in very similar to how I applied Skyfire, and I felt like I needed to kind of thin it out again on that second coat. So again, you're seeing me completely overwork the polish on the second coat. So don't make the mistake I did. Just go in with 3 thin coats or 2 normal coats. I had no issues with dry time on either of these. So if I went in for somewhat more normal coats at 2 coats, it would have been just fine. I would also suggest a glossy top coat with this one because it did dry down with a touch of thirstiness. And the last one is Fairy Lights. This one is a purple hollow with pink, green, and blue shifting iridescent flakies and scattered holographic flakies. This one is for the Hollow Maniacs Facebook group. Fairy Lights does start off on the lighter side. I do feel like it's got a true jelly formula to it. If you appreciate a softer type of appearance with a lot of that iridescent, smaller, flaky type of appearance, you could probably stop at 2 coats. But I personally like thicker appearance to my nails, so I chose to take it up to 3 coats, and I honestly appreciated it this way. So your preference on 2 or 3 coats. I also used my normal glossy top coat with this one. I have been refilling it a ton, so it was a touch gloopy. This will leave you a touch thirsty, but I did not see a need to go in with a glitter smoothing top coat. And we're going to wrap this up with a real quickie willet topper segment. This is where I use a black swatch stick to demonstrate if polishes have layering capabilities. Sea Jewel is a true curly, so I do not recommend that layering this even if it's over white. Skyfire, Black Velvet, and Fairy Lights are all 3 jellies, but they're very, very dense on their base colors respectively, especially Black Velvet. So for that reason, I'm going to say you might be able to get away with maybe over black. Otherwise, I would stick with matchy-match colors. But in my honest opinion, I think all 4 of these should not be toppered. So the 4 Facebook group customs are going to be available for the entire month of November. That said, you can purchase them on Glam Polish's website, which is what I'm showing you here. The benefit of joining these respective Facebook groups each is that there is a discount code in each of the groups if you wanted a discount on these. Otherwise, if you didn't want to join the Facebook groups and you're like, Trish, I'm not doing it, you can purchase these straight on the website like this, just sans discount. I will link you all below in the description box to Glam Polish's website if you want to get in there and check these and many more out, in addition to each of the Facebook groups that are discussed in this video. All of this will be in the description box. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.